everyone. Today, we are diving into the most fundamental concept of the technology world: algorithms. You hear this word everywhere, from social media feeds to Google searches, but what does it actually mean in the world of software development? At its core, an algorithm is simply a step-by-step set of instructions to solve a specific problem or accomplish a task. Think of it like a recipe for baking a cake. You have your inputs, the ingredients, a sequence of steps: mix, bake, cool, and your final output, the delicious cake. In programming, it's exactly the same. An algorithm takes some data, processes it through a logical sequence, and gives you a result. Algorithms are the brains of your code. Whether you are writing a simple console app in C# or building a complex operating system kernel in C, you are using algorithms. A good algorithm isn't just about getting the job done, it's about doing it efficiently. This means using the least amount of memory and the fastest processing time possible, something every software engineer strives for. So, the next time you write a line of code, remember, you aren't just typing commands, you are designing a path for the computer to follow. Master the algorithms, and you master the machine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.